Toyota Innova 4+64 with 360 camera and voice command. Optimus brand. Yun ay Optimus din. Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Yung dulo, head unit lang. Fortuner. Ito yung front cam. Side cam. Rear cam. Testing natin steering control. Working. Open tayo ng music. So all working. Isang pindot dito. Okay. Isa pang pindot dito. Play James Blunt on YouTube.
Playing James Blunt on YouTube.
Isa pa? Play Eagles on YouTube.
Alright, playing the Eagles on YouTube.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-type, kundi i-command mo na lang dito para gagana yung anong gusto mong i-play dito sa YouTube. So, naka-ads pa, skip. Ayan, Eagles. So, steering control ulit, working. So, all working dito. Pag may tatawag, pwede ka mag-answer dito. Tapos, 360 camera. Right signal, left signal, hazard, reverse. Okay, reverse. Tapos yung 3D niya. Okay, goods. Yung 360 camera natin, nagre-record po yan. Isang pindot dito, isang pindot dito. Ayun. So, yan yung sample ng recording. Tapos, meron tayong offline voice command. I-on lang natin yan. Open YouTube. Turn on navigation. Screen off. Screen on. So, okay. Working lahat. Very nice. Meron din tayong offline voice command, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Thank you, ZT Car Accessories.